Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how we make our avocado sandwiches, which is a perfect lunch item. It takes all of 15 minutes tops to make them, so definitely something quick and easy, and I made them by myself, so you don't need any culinary expertise to make these. This is the Daily Craze.
Alright, for this recipe you're going to want 2 avocados to make 2 sandwiches. You'll also need vegan cheese. This is the brand that we prefer. And you'll also use tomatoes to garnish, as well as lettuce. I forgot lettuce. Mustard. You can add a vegan mayo too if you would like. And then hot sauce, which Nick puts everything, has everything with hot sauce. Salt and pepper to season. And then for the bread, if you're vegan, use a different bread. So we're gonna chop up our avocados first. Now once you're done chopping up your avocado, you're going to want to season it. So I just do a little salt and a little pepper. I think Nick does a little bit of extra ingredients like green salsa. So you can add this to your avocados along with the salt and pepper, but today I'm actually going to be sharing my sandwich with Kinsey and don't want to put anything too spicy, so I'll just put salt and pepper in mine. So you're going to set out your bread and then put your cheese slices on 1/2 of the sandwich. At this point, you will also want to put your broil on in your oven because we're going to melt the cheese. If you don't like melted cheese for some reason, then you don't have to, but we're gonna melt the cheese and then add everything onto the sandwiches. So once the broiler is nice and hot, you shouldn't have to keep the slices in there for more than a minute or two, but depending on your oven, it might take longer. As mentioned in the workbook, the reason why we chose sandwiches, tacos, and soup for the recipes is because they are so versatile. So for example, sometimes we actually like to add hummus to our sandwich as well. This came about because we were out of avocados, and then from there on we just ended up adding this in addition to both. So if you're not a big fan of avocados, you can always replace it with hummus or some other type of like mushed bean or can't think of anything right now. Drop a replacement in the comments if you can think of something. We're just gonna put this on here. Like I said, I'm sharing with Kinsey, so hers is going to just have the avocado. On mine, I'm actually going to put the mustard. And this mustard is so good, and I don't even like mustard. Nick hates that like normal restaurant yellow mustard. So we always have some weird type of mustard here. I'm actually gonna switch this. And so if you're going to add the hummus as well, then you'll just spread it on the opposite side. It won't be difficult, even though there's cheese on there. And then just go ahead and boom. Very nice. This is going to be my lunch. Super quick and easy lunch. Let me know what you guys think, and if you have any tweaks that you like to add to your avocado sandwiches or any questions, let me know.